AI could replace 40% of jobs in the next decade. Imagine a world where machines outthink us and change everything we know about work and society. In healthcare, AI could analyze your medical history in seconds and predict your risk for diseases, potentially saving countless lives by catching conditions early. Imagine a doctor who never forgets anything, always up to date with the latest medical research and capable of providing the best possible care. And in education? Personalized learning powered by AI, adapting to your unique style, ensuring that every student gets the attention they need to succeed. Imagine the potential for AI in our daily lives. Smart homes are just the beginning. What if AI could anticipate and assist with your daily tasks? Now let's talk about jobs. AI could replace 40% of jobs by the 2030s, but new jobs will emerge, transforming the job market. AI is learning faster than ever before, evolving at an unprecedented rate, and transforming industries with its capabilities. It's not just solving problems, it's creating solutions. New forms of art, innovative designs, and groundbreaking technologies are emerging. New ways to think about the world, new perspectives on science, and new horizons for humanity to explore. AI could start solving some of the world's biggest problems. Climate change, world hunger, space exploration, all could be transformed by AI.
Gologan is the best browser for multi-accounting.
Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the topics we've discussed today? Is AI truly the future of humanity, or do you believe we should approach it with caution and skepticism? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We value your opinions and look forward to reading them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Don't miss our video on the future of business in 2025. What does business look like with AI? Watch it now on our channel.